In this video, we're going to be replacing the ignition coil on this 2008 Acura MDX. So we're going to remove this plug from our ignition coil. Just going to press in this tab, pull the plug straight off. And set that aside. Now we can move down to our 10 millimeter. Now from here, we're just going to rotate the plug a little bit because it's still on that stud. And we're going to pull straight back. When you get to this point, you want to make sure, and even before this point, you want to make sure there's no debris that can fall inside this hole. Just pull your coil straight back. Before we put in our new coil, I want to put a little dielectric grease right here where it's going to mate to your spark plug. I'll do that now. So now we can install this into the cylinder head onto the spark plug. Just push it into place. We can reinstall our 10 millimeter nut. We can tighten that down. Now that it's snugged up, now we can torque this 10 mil down to 8 foot-pounds. Now that we've done that, we can reinstall our electrical connection. Push till you hear a click. And the process for this one's going to be the same for 3 in front, 3 in back, 6 in total.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.